Hello everyone and welcome back to Miranda Detailing here in Chesterfield, Virginia. Today we have this brand new 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe with an incredible matte paint finish. Now, the owner brought it to us because they want the best protection possible. So we're going to be applying Dr. Beasley's matte paint ceramic coating. Now this is the Pro version and it's one of the most advanced coatings specifically designed for matte finishes. We're going to walk you through the process of how we wash, prep, and apply the coating so that this paint stays protected while keeping that rich satin look matte paint is known for. Now the first step is to thoroughly wash and decontaminate. Matte paint requires some interesting care. No gloss enhancers, no waxy soaps, just a pure, safe wash. So we're using a pH-balanced shampoo to gently lift dirt without leaving behind any residue that could alter the finish. Now next we're going to address any bonded contaminants. Now even a brand new vehicle like this could have some contamination like rail dust or overspray or environmental fallout. So what we're going to do is use a chemical process. Now in this instance, after inspecting the paint, we found that the paint was smooth and we didn't see any visual contamination on the paint at all. So this is an optional step. It is not a 100% required step. This is really per basis, per vehicle, depending on what it needs. But if it did need it, we would simply use a chemical iron remover to gently remove any of those contaminations on the paint. Now keep in mind, we're not going to clay. So no clay barring, no clay mitt, no clay towel. Nothing aggressive on the paint at all. Matte finishes can't be polished like gloss paint, so we don't have to worry about polishing the paint at all. Once it's dry, we want to go over the entire surface with Dr. Beasley's Surface Prep solution. This is going to remove any oils or residues or previous protection, maybe from spray waxes or spray sealants, leaving the paint perfectly bare and ready for the coating. Proper prep ensures maximum durability and adhesion of the ceramic coating. Now comes the fun part, applying the ceramic coating. We're using Dr. Beasley's Matte Paint Pro, which is, again, engineered specifically for matte paint finishes. Now, unlike standard ceramic coatings, this is not going to add gloss or change the appearance of the paint. Instead, it locks in that matte look while adding years of protection against UV rays, environmental damage, and staining. Now we apply it in small controlled sections. I usually like to do it in circular motions, ensuring that every square inch is covered. Now this is also a very interesting coating because unlike other gloss ceramic coatings, we can use water kind of like a catalyst to help spread the coating onto the paint. This just makes it easier because this coating is very, very thick to apply. So the water does add a little bit of lubricity to make that coating spread over the surface easier, and it's not going to affect the adhesion at all. It's designed to work with water. So after maybe 30 seconds or so, you start to see it evaporate. We wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel, and we're good to go. No streaks, no dark spots, nothing inconsistent. Everything looks beautiful. Now, once the entire Santa Fe is coated, we want to do a thorough inspection under multiple light sources. That's why you see many different light sources in our shop. With matte paint, consistency is everything, so we want to make sure that every panel has that smooth, even satin sheen. The coating not only protects, but it also makes maintenance much easier. Future washes will be safer, and contaminants will have a harder time bonding to the surface. In fact, if you want to see how we maintain these matte paint finishes, then I'll have a video at the end of this one. Make sure to check that out when you're done with this video. Now that's how we professionally apply a matte paint ceramic coating here at Miranda Detailing in Chesterfield, Virginia. So this Santa Fe is now protected with the Dr. Beasley's Matte Paint Pro, ensuring that this finish stays beautiful for years to come. Now, if you're in the area and you want your vehicle professionally coated, check out the links in the description or visit us at mirandadetailing.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailing content. We'll see you in the next one.